So dear students, in the last lecture we finished the topic Cauchy-Riemann equation and we did some problem based on that. Okay, now we will continue that topic and we will solve more problem for that. Okay, so let us continue our topic, the Cauchy-Riemann equation, and we will have the next example. Find your next example is find find the constants find the constants a, B, C, and D if your function is given f of z is equal to x square plus 2 times of axy 2 times of axy and plus by square. This is your first part, and plus I times of cx square plus 2 2dxy plus y square is analytic. Okay, so what I have to do in this case? See here, your function is already given that the function is what? Analytic, and we have to determine the constant a, b, c. Okay, let us see how to find the constant a, b, c, d. Okay, solution. What is given to you? Just write down. Given that function f of z is what? Analytic. Function f of z is analytic. Therefore, it must satisfy the CR equation. It must satisfies satisfies the CR equation. CR equations. CR equations means what? It must satisfy the Cauchy-Riemann equation. That is what? That is dou u by dou x is equal to what? Dou v by dou y, and dou u by dou y is equal to negative of dou v by dou x. Okay, these are the CR equations. Okay, now comparing comparing given function with f of z is equal to u of x comma y plus I times of v of x comma y. We get your function u of x comma y is equal to what? Real part of the function f of z, that is what? X square plus 2 times of a axy and plus b y square. Okay, and v of x comma y, that is what? Imaginary part of the function f of z. Imaginary part is this one. Okay, so you have cx square and plus 2 times of d xy and plus y square. Okay, now what have to do? We have to find out partial derivative of u with respect to x and y, and also we will find the partial derivative of v with respect to x and y. Okay, so let us find one by one. So we first find partial derivative of u. So we differentiating u partially with respect to x. So you get 2x, okay, and plus 2ay and plus this will 0, so no need to write here. Okay, and if I differentiating u partially with respect to y, then see what happen over here. So dou u by dou y, and this equal to what? Here x is constant, so this will 0, so you will get 2a 2ax. Okay, and this will what? This will this will become plus we differentiating u partially with respect to y, so this is what? 2 times of b y. Okay, also we differentiating v partially with respect to x, so dou v by dou x equal to what? Dou v by dou x equal to 2 times of cx, and plus 2 times we differentiating this term, so you'll get 2 times of d. We differentiating with respect to x, so derivative of x is 1, so here y. Okay, and derivative of this is 0, and dou v by dou y. Now we differentiating function v, this function with respect to y, so you will get this term is 0 because this is the constant term, x square. Okay, so you will get 2 times of dx, and plus derivative of y square is what? 2y. Okay, since f of z satisfies the CR equation, satisfies the CR equations, therefore we have dou u, we have dou u by dou x, and which is equal to what? Dou v by dou y. Okay, so this implies that dou u by dou x is what? 2 2x and plus 2ay, this equation, and which is equal to what? Dou v by dou y. So dou v by dou y is what? 2dx plus 2y. Okay, so comparing the coefficient of x and y, we will get
b और a 1 हो जाएगा.
just listen. Therefore, by comparing the coefficients of x and y, we get, okay, we get here coefficient of x is 2 and coefficient of x is here 2d, so we get 2 equal to 2d. Okay, and here coefficient of y is 2a, and coefficient of here y is 2, so 2a is equal to 2, so therefore you can say that
सर d और a 1 हो जाएगा.
d, yes, d equal to 1, d is equal to 1, and a is equal to what? 1. Okay, so we found the value of a and d. Also we will have the another CR equation, this one. So let us move to the next page. Also we have dou u by dou y is equal to what? Negative of dou v by dou x. So this equation implies that dou u by dou y. So dou u by dou y is what? 2ax plus 2by. Just write down 2ax plus 2by, and which is equal to negative of, just put negative here, and dou v by dou x. Dou v by dou x is what? 2cx plus 2dy. 2cx plus 2dy. Okay, so this implies that 2ax plus 2by, and just multiply this inside the bracket. So 2cx minus 2dy. Now comparing the coefficients, comparing the coefficients, comparing the coefficients of x and y, we get, comparing the coefficient of x and y, we get, see here coefficient of x is 2a, here coefficient of x is minus 2c. Just write down 2a is equal to what? Minus 2c. Okay, and the next one is what? Here coefficient of 2b, y is what? 2b, and here coefficient of y is negative of 2d. So just write down 2b is equal to what? Negative of 2d. Okay, so here 2 and 2 cancel, so you will get here a is equal to minus c, and from this you will get b is equal to what? Minus d. But we found the value of a and d. What is that? That is 1. So but we have a is equal to d is equal to what? 1. Okay, therefore from this you'll get c is equal to what? Minus 1, because a is 1, so c will be minus 1, and b will be what? B is equal to minus 1. Okay, thus we have a equal to 1, comma, b is equal to minus 1, comma, c equal to minus 1, and d is equal to what? 1. Okay, which is required values of a, b, c, and d. Okay, I hope you understood how to find the coefficients of analytic function. Yes or no, students? You got it?
Yeah, sir.
Should I give one problem exercise for you based on this? Example. Determine the constant. Determine the constants A, B, C, D, E if your function is given f of z is equal to ax raised to 4 and plus b x square y square plus c y raised to 4 and plus d x square and minus 2 y square. Okay, this is first term, and plus I times of second term is what? 4x q y minus e x y q plus 4xy. Okay, is analytic. Okay, so what I have to do in this case? Same things you have to do over here. So function given f of z is what? Analytic function, so it must satisfy the CR equation. Okay, there are two CR equation, dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y, and the second one is what? Dou u by dou y equal to negative or dou v by dou x. Okay, to find out all the partial derivative of this function by comparing with real and imaginary part. Okay, and equate the equation and compare the coefficients. Okay, so from that you will get the coefficients a, b, c, d. Okay, in some case you have to solve some steps, then you can determine the coefficient. Okay, so this is the simple exercise for you, so please do this problem at your home. Okay, this is the very important problem.